Hello, this is Margot Tripsa, and this is tutorial number 7 of the orientation module, and actually the second part of the tutorial titled 10 Tips to Manage Your Time with Google Calendar. If the previous tutorial included the first 5 more basic features of Google Calendar, this second part features the other 5 features which are relatively more advanced. In the second part of the tutorial, I will show you how to find a time when both you and your guests are available, how to attend the meeting virtually, how to make an appointment, how to use Google Calendar offline, and how to embed your calendar. To find a time when both you and your guests are available, you need to first create your event. I will use this one that I created with Quick Add. So I will open up the event. You need to edit the description and the location and the time of the meeting. And then you will see here an option that says find a time. So before you click on find a time, you need to invite someone. I go to edit event and then maybe I want to invite someone to my event. And then it will show you if that person is available or not at that time, if that person has shared his or her calendar with you. Tip number 7, attend a meeting virtually through Google Hangout. This is a very exciting feature because you don't even need to be there physically and you can attend the meeting through Google Calendar and Google Hangout. To show you how you can do that, I will create an event, let's say at 2 p.m. on February 7th. So I click here in this box and then I can go to edit event. If this is your common planning time, maybe it's during a snow day or a sandstorm day, you're at home and you still want to connect with other teachers, it's possible through Google Hangout. Make sure the time is correct and then you can just say virtually because you're not going to meet in a specific place, and make sure you add this one to the correct calendar. And then you can write a description, your agenda maybe, your topic. You can add attachments if you want, change the color of the event, and you can also add notifications so to make sure nobody forgets when the meeting is supposed to start. And then this is the link that you need to access after you invite your guests. Then you click here and then you will see that a video call is added to every event if you would like to video chat with your guests. So everyone who's invited to this event will be able to click on the video call link and join the Hangout when it starts, and then save the event. Next tip is about the appointment slots. With appointment slots, you can set aside a portion of your day in Google Calendar for others to schedule meetings with you. For instance, maybe some coworkers, students, or maybe parents want to reserve a time to meet with you. So that's when you would use appointment slots. So you can divide that portion of your day into time slots of a duration of your choosing. So I will show you how to create appointment slots. You just click in the date and time you wish to make available. For instance, the 7th from 12 o'clock. Then you go to appointment slots and then you can edit the details. I think it's better than just using this screen, but you can see the type of appointment slots you can make. You can either offer it as a single appointment slot or you can decide how long the appointment slot would be. Maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or you can say 20 minutes. But if you go here into edit details, that's where you can give it a title, write some descriptions, where it will happen. You add your guests here by typing in their emails, and then this is the link that they will be using. If you are available from 12 until 3, then make sure you say that. So for 3 hours. And then just share the link. Okay, so if I want to save this, I just click on save. How you know this is different from the other events you created is by looking at the grid. You have a grid here, that means this is something that has a slot and other people can use to book time with you. One more thing I need to mention is the fact that to set up your appointment slots, you need to begin by setting your calendar view to day or week view, because this feature, the appointment slot, is not available in the other views at this time. 2 other things I need to cover are tip number 9, which is use Google Calendar offline, and tip number 10, embed your calendar. So here you go. To have access to your Google Calendar offline, you go to settings and then you choose offline. So to enable offline mode, that's all you need to do. So if you work in your calendar when you're offline, when you go back online, everything will be synced. Now I need to talk about embedding your calendar. Tip number 10. To embed your calendar, first you need to choose the calendar you want to embed in your website. Maybe you have a calendar that has student homework. It can be titled just like that, student homework calendar. And what you need to do is click on the triangle and then you will see the option calendar settings. If you go to calendar settings, and then you can copy this embed code and you just embed it in your website. Just to make sure you know where to find your Google Calendar, I will show you this. You need to access the Google menu, the 9 little dots, and then you will see Calendar. Once you click on it, it will take you to your calendar. Google Calendar can really help you organize your busy day. It can help you stay current with the events and meetings happening around the school. It can help you collaborate with others. These were the most important 10 tips of using Google Calendar. Thank you.